Wow. All right, guys, 1 minute 45 seconds to go.
Whoa. Oh no! Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at 400 RC Raceway for the HB Challenge 2025, and we've just gone through our 3 qualifiers. I've been here since Friday night to practice through all day Saturday, and now we're just heading into the main. So I can tell you how I'm qualifying. Happy to report I made it into the A main for both my classes. Here we go. First up is going to be E-Truggy, qualified 6th overall, starting P6 in the A main. I got a lot of fast guys ahead of me, and people behind me are, going to put up a challenge too. It's going to be hard fought to work my way up from 6th into a podium, but sometimes hanging back at the start is a little bit safer. You're just going to try and see if I can move up. I did a couple of tests with tires today. I am now on this tire, which is a new tire that I made up. It's a J Concepts Reflex in blue. Previously I was on J Concepts Triple Ds. My new reflexes are working out a little bit better. That's it. Other than that, I've just been making sure nothing loosened off. I've been tightening some nuts and screws as things kind of work their way loose over the day. But this Truggy's working out great. I've had a couple of good qualifiers. I'm actually faster with the Truggy than I am with my Buggy. All right, here we go.
Left at the starting line. If anybody
E-Truggy AMAIN.
If you don't come get it, guess what? It's mine.
The last qualifier was pretty good.
It says to get out and march.
Oh no.
That includes the winner.
Oh my goodness. Why is there so many people up here?
I have no idea.
What's going on?
Yeah, you can take it, but you have to march.
What?
Yeah, I thought there was 12 spots.
Are you? Why is there so many people up here?
Go get a marshal.
I guess, but there's a lot more than 12 people up here, is there not?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. All right, E-Truggy AMAIN. I'll be starting from P6. See if we can move up. There's a lot of racers.
The running order will be Anthony Bachamber, Sheldon Lachance, Brandon Hong, Tommy Landry, Peter, Sean Kennedy, Samantha,
Sean Kennedy, Corey Hickey,
All right,
Samantha
practice one.
Lachance, Chris Nicolau.
All right, close grid for the
Anthony
start.
out front, Sheldon in number 2. That's going to be a hell of a ride home in this sibling rivalry. Brandon in number 3, Tommy in number 4, Peter in number 5, John in number 6, Samantha in number 7, Chris in 8, Mean in 9, Corey in 10, Tim in 11, and Jim in 12. I love it. All right, guys.
No passing.
I don't need to repeat it. You know the rules.
It's my first main.
Right?
No passing. No pass here.
The toes.
Whoa. I jumped the gun.
Drivers ready?
I
I'm
am.
talking. Drivers ready? Marshals ready?
Oh.
Wow.
This is an 8-minute race.
That was unfortunate.
Wow, that's a nice way to take that corner.
Oh.
Him on the belly dance. All right, Anthony is out front. Brandon is in the number 2. He's 4 seconds behind. Sheldon is in 3. 6 seconds behind that. 2 minutes down. We got Anthony Bachambo out front. Brandon Hong in number 2. Sheldon in number 3. Peter in number 4. Tommy in 5. Corey in 6. Chris in 7. Samantha in 8. John in 9. Tim in 10. Jim in 11. And Mean in 12. Oh! Is that time on the inside?
Oh.
Showing them how it's done.
Oh no, dude.
All right. Brandon is now 6 seconds behind Anthony. And Sheldon is another 7.5 behind Brandon. We got Peter, who's now 4 seconds behind Sheldon. Tommy, who's a half a second behind Tom. Coming on the back stretch. That looks like a battle coming on the back stretch. This is the battle right here, going through the loop for 3rd and 4th. Right here, these two guys, the blue and orange, blue and pink versus the blue with the yellow rims or orange rims. Oh, he got it upside down, announcer's curse. That's not a battle anymore. Okay. Anthony just crossed the line. He's in first. White truck, the white, red and white is the leader. When he comes up to you, give him space. Thank you, I appreciate it. Brandon Hong into the rumble strip.
Oh no.
Sheldon over the small double. Into the rumble strip he goes.
Oh no, 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 come on. Marshall!
Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, at the end where 2 marshals are standing there and they don't even pay attention to the corner. Fucking brutal, right? That's my fault. I shouldn't have marshal, it's my fault.
All right, guys, we got 2 minutes, 45 seconds to go. Anthony's out front. He's got a comfortable 8 seconds lead. Brandon Hong is on the Marshall on the front. Thank you. Oh, thank you. We got Anthony out front, Brandon in 2, Sheldon in 3, Tommy in 4, Peter in 5, John in 6, Tim in 7, Tim Bush is in 7, Corey in 8, Samantha in 9, Chris in 10, Mean in 11, and Jim in 12. Got no real close battles on the track. Oh, we do have a close battle for 9 and 10, Samantha and Chris. All right, guys, 1 minute, 45 seconds to go.
Whoa. Oh no. Whoa.
Samantha and Chris right here, orange, yellow and green with the blue and white. That's the battle for position. That's the closest battle on the track. The white and red E-Truggy coming up to the blue with the orange. That's the leader. Thank you very much.
Fire you off. Whoa!
1 minute left.
That was close.
That yellow, that mustard color with the yellow wheels and black rims. This is the number 2. Let him
Being nice.
You are.
Brown is in the battle right here. 20 seconds. Oh, the guy with the car's going through there. That's going to be their own personal battle. All right. Sam, the guy behind you is laughing you. Okay, thank you.
Oh, no, no, no! Oh, damn it!
Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Sam.
When you cross the line, you are done. Sheldon, you're done. You finish in third. Tim, you're done. You finish in
Anthony Fisher
seventh.
done.
Anthony, you're done. You took this one.
Tommy Landry done.
Tommy, you're done. You're in fourth.
Corey Hickey done.
Corey, you're done.
Jim Rogers done.
Jim, you're done.
Brandon Hong done.
Brandon, you're done.
Oh, bad luck, dude. Bad luck.
4 guys to come in.
Good race, man. Good race.
Kennedy done.
John, you're finished.
I enjoyed that battle.
Peter, you're done.
Yep.
Samantha
You're
done.
Yeah, buddy.
One car.
Let's go, boy. Don't worry, buddy.
That was fun, man.
Thank you. Finishing order was
I-
Anthony, Brandon, Sheldon, Tommy.
I got last.
That's the top 4, followed by John and 5.
Oh, 5. Do you get anything for 5? I moved up one. That was hard fought. Man, I got up to second before we crossed the first.
This is an 8-minute race.
All right, that was a E-Buggy, E-Truggy AMAIN, finished 5th, started 6th, finished 5th, moved up a position. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.